If you ever find yourself staring at the prices on the brunch menu thinking to yourself, I wish I could make this at home, then today is for you. I will set you free with Eggs Benedict, the simple, humble, versatile egg in one of its most luxurious forms. We can do this. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals. We're gonna make a hollandaise sauce, and we're gonna make poached eggs. First thing we gotta do is separate our yolks from the whites. Let me show you how it's done. You get the Vulcan symbol of Star Trek. You have to go, greetings from planet Vulcan. Right here, yeah, you see that? And you drop it through. And then the yolk can drop right there. Go like that, go like that. Very nice. We are ready to rock. Step 2, butter, stick and a half, pan, fire. We don't want this to burn, but we definitely want it to melt. We're putting a little bit of Dijon mustard in. Mustard is a wonderful facilitator of emulsification. What is emulsification? It's when two things that don't want to be together are forced to be together. In this case, essentially fats and water. Mustard helps that. A little bit of water. Bloop, bloop. We'll crack these yolks. That was extremely satisfying. Look at how nicely this is coming together. Very fluidious, thick, creamy, delicious. Let's season this thing up. A little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, very important, and some lemon. Mix it up. All right, the hollandaise is done and it's gonna be just fine here. Now, with poached eggs, time is of the essence. And that's why it's super important I get all my other components done before I poach the eggs. So let's do that. All right, I've got all my components ready, so now let's poach some eggs. So, the first thing is we don't want to crack this egg directly into our boiling water. We actually want to lower it into the water, into some kind of a vessel. So I'm gonna use a little bowl here. We're gonna add a little bit of vinegar to the water. It helps the white, the albumin, set. All right, we got our vinegar. We've got our lightly boiling water. What do we need? We need a vortex. And how do we do that? Well, of course, we need special equipment. The Whirlpool Creator 2750. And now we come in with our egg. We try to do it in one fell swoop. Bloop. Very nice. You can see the swirl is kind of keeping the white together. 3.5 minutes. We're gonna come in with some kind of a slotted spoon. Gently bring this to the top and turn it out. Oh, baby, look at that. That looks fantastic. Let's make another one. Egg, crack, drop. Whirlpool Creator, special edition model. Don't have to put vinegar this time because it's already in there. Ooh, that one's very sexy. Time is up. Okay, here we go. And release. Tomato. Tiniest bit of salt on the tomato because it's all about the details. We put the bacon. Oh, molto bene, molto bene. Again, super important that we had all of that done because these eggs are hot and we want everything waiting for the eggs. It's all about the eggs. Okay, here's the hollandaise. Oh, baby. Do you think this will be censored? Chives. Oh, yes. Please look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Everyone's talking about it. Glorious, voluptuous, and fluid. Eggs Benedict for $1.42. That's an extremely low price. It's a lot more expensive when you get this at a restaurant at brunch time. Here we go. It's a really fantastic construction. Oh, Eggs Benedict. It's all about advanced level technique. We did 2 things. We poached and we made a hollandaise. Now that you've learned these techniques, you can make them at home and make exactly this dish and save a whole bundle of money.